That's really good. Can you... Hello, I'm showing the cinnamon. Can you just...
Yeah, but I do photography.
Can you just... Okay, so you add your porridge oats to the pan. Then I add a bit of boiling water, just so that it heats up quicker. And then obviously pour in some milk as well. And then I put it on like a medium to low heat. As you can see, the little flame. Okay, so I've got a banana here. So I'm going to put this on top of the porridge. So I'm going to peel it. And then I literally just slice it with a spoon. Just like that. It's really quick and easy and just makes the porridge taste a bit nicer, and it's one of your favourite as well. And then that's the porridge just cooking. Just need to give it a quick stir. So you just want to stir it. Oh.
Alexa, play Shakira.
Shuffling Shakira and similar artists.
Alexa, stop please.
Stop! No, I love that song. It's
Yeah, well, I have to make this video quickly. It'll take like just 1 minute. So now we have the porridge made. Grace, can you film it so I can get it in there?
No, because I'm going to film myself.
Oh. How am I gonna?
Right.
Can you?
What?
Can you?
Okay.
No,
But
Alexa.
it's a good background song.
Yeah, it's not, 'cause it's copyright and you can't have copyright music on YouTube. So I've got the porridge here. Just gonna pour it into the bowl. Got a nice fancy bowl because I'm at home. Can you see it? Can you see it?
No, you can see me in the saucepan.
How's it looking?
Disgusting.
I mean, it's porridge, doesn't ever look nice. But it actually will look really nice. Okay, so then, wait, let's get that last little.
He's just going to crack an egg in for some bit of extra protein.
No, I'm not. So then you just want to sprinkle your banana. Okay, didn't really. Grace, can you please hold it? Yeah, there's milk in the way.
No, it's not. Look.
Yeah, there is. There's literally milk all over the side. Can you just hold it and you just get a bit of an action shot?
Oh my god, this is so good. Look.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Look at that.
Just gonna fold it. Can you just hold it and then also film me? Okay, so I've got the porridge here.
Why have you got 3 eggs as well?
As well. Got this Ceylon cinnamon powder. It's my mum's. Grace, can you hold it, please? No, the camera. Porridge pan into the water. Don't forget to wash up as you go. It's like the best. If you wash up as you're cooking, it's much easier. Later, yeah.
So do you need the pan?
No. Grace made bacon. Grace, can you please help me? Just hold it. You didn't know yours is right this second. Actually, nice action shot. That's some orange juice too. I'm not actually. It's
No,
good.
please don't.
Orange juice is actually really bad for you guys. Because look, you see all that sugar in it?
You want to give that?
She doesn't care, but
Because I already broke my teeth anyway.
I've got a bad tooth and it's got lots of sugar in it. So, got the Ceylon. Obviously everything's good in moderation, apart from like unhealthy things.
Yeah, orange juice, there's not a lot of sugar in it. But everything in moderation. Bozo.
So, we just want to... Oh, I can open it when Mum was... Oh, you can smell that. Oh, that's smell that
Because
nice.
you just stuck your nose in it, you can smell.
And then if you get a nice money shot. That's a lot of cinnamon. Okay,
It's
wait.
gonna be disgusting.
I wouldn't actually put that much cinnamon in.
It's just all
God.
a bit tissue.
It's like patchy fake tan. No, I wouldn't recommend putting that much cinnamon in, but it's just for a nice taste. So now you just want to mix it in a bit.
Just mash it up like you would for a baby, maybe.
And then here we go, let's try it. Stop. Stop. Stop doing that. No, I'm not done yet. That's really good. Can you... Hello, I'm showing the cinnamon. Can you just...
Yeah, but I do photography.
Can you just show me quickly? I give it a big thumbs up. I think it's brilliant. Thank you.
Like and subscribe.